Hey guys, welcome back. I had all these intentions of filming. Who just closed the door? The kids. Of filming this like put together packing video for the beach. I'm trying to find somewhere I can set you. Not gonna happen. But yeah, so I had all the intentions to film this like really nice, like, pack with me, get everything ready for a week at the beach. But it's not happening. Let's be real, it's just not happening. I have packed for myself, and, well, I've gotten my stuff, some of my stuff around, and I have packed, just kind of like been grabbing stuff out that, like, I know that we will use. Or like no needs to go, and I've just kind of been throwing it places. I did take my car today and had the oil changed and like the filters and fluids and you know all that jazz. So I did do that. And we had kindergarten graduation this morning. It was so cute. I cannot believe that Easton's headed to first grade. I feel like, did kindergarten just not just start? So yeah, so anyway, Derek just left to, he's got a haircut appointment, and then they have ball practice because we have All-Stars next week, for baseball. Well, the tournament is this coming weekend. Yeah, I guess it won't really matter because depending on when this goes up, it might be happening or right before it. So anyway, this is how it's going to work. I'm going to just kind of show you some things that I'm not even sure if that was on my face. I'm just going to kind of show you some things that I've picked up to go with us to the beach, and yeah, stuff that I have been getting ready. So we'll start out here. Turn around. I picked up this vacation feeding block for our fish, so we don't have to worry about them eating. I got these like over the ear earbuds, and they're for women. So they're specifically designed for small ears, and I have little ears. And then I got this baby powder because if you've never used baby powder at the beach before to get sand off, you should. I picked up some of these little 99-cent water bottles for the boys because I thought those would be easy to have. Let me turn a light on. All right. I picked up this. I saw this. It was like $3, and I thought it's so cute. And if they had it in Gavin's size, I would have gotten it. This little tank top for Easton. And then I got him a new pair of pajamas. They just have dinosaurs on them. And the dinosaur, and they glow in the dark. So he was really excited about that. I picked up these like mini lacrosse sticks, and they have a ball in there because I thought that would be fun on the beach. And then I saw this. It's an umbrella that clips, like you fasten it to the side of your chair. So I did pick that up, some of that stuff up today, just because, like I said, we're leaving in the morning, so I needed to get that stuff done, or pick that stuff up. Also, I got a few road snacks. I got this sweet and salty kettle popped corn, non-GMO, nut-free, and I believe that says gluten-free on it. And then I got this for my husband. this Tapatio popcorn. He's going to be really, he's seen it, but he hasn't tasted it yet. So he'll be really excited for that. And then I'm going to show you guys, I have kind of got my stuff packed. Now there's a few things that I will still need to, there's a few things I'll still need to go through and put together, but I'm just going to kind of show you what I've put together. So, I love this Sunburnt After Sun Gel. Got it at Walmart. It works great. I get sunburnt a lot. I also love this Friction Defense Gold Bond stick. It's like a deodorant stick, but it works great. Like if your legs rub together. I have this body butter in the scent Farmer's Market. I ordered this adapter for my phone so I can plug my headphones into it, charge it, and do all that all at the same time. So I got that. I have 2 books that I'm bringing, and then I have a book on tape that I'm listening to. So this one's called Love Lives Here by Maria Goff. And then this one is called The Best Yes, and I have wanted to read this for a while, and I just haven't. It's about making wise decisions in the midst of endless demands. So that'll be great. I have a few swimsuits here, straps everywhere, and then really I don't pack a ton for the beach. So I have a couple pairs of shorts. I have my floral romper. We're going to have pictures taken, so I thought that would be really pretty. I have a bathing suit cover up, a tank top, and then 3 of those just like t-shirt dresses that I love. And then I have a couple sports bras, tank tops, just like the racerback tank tops that I like to wear. Let's see here. Some shorts, 2 long sleeves, some t-shirts, some pajama pants. And then, of course, I have like my 100 face stuff, some body spray, my makeup removers, face lotion, this Paul Mitchell Quick Slip, this deodorant, and then my little makeup thing, of course, my dry shampoo, can't go anywhere without that. And then I just picked this up today. I'm excited. It's the Not Your Mother's brand, and it's the Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. So I am very excited to try that. And then, of course, I'll take, like, my blow dryer. And, you know, not that I'll probably end up using it often, because if you don't know, my hair's naturally curly. So, being at the beach, sorry, I have burgers cooking. But being at the beach and in the water and in the humidity and just getting wet, it just... it doesn't really make sense to fix my hair that much. So, that is what I've packed for myself. Oh, I was going to show you too. We went to Sam's Club last night to get a lot of the bulk stuff. So, we got a giant bag of chicken, a big thing of 15 burgers. We got, my fridge is stocked. We got a big thing of hot dogs. We got a couple of these 6-packs of Lunchables. We have a big thing of hamburger buns, hot dog buns, and a 2-pack of bread. And then I'll go out here and show you. We got 2 of these 40 packs of water. Got a thing of Gatorades, a thing of juice boxes. We got 2 of these. One of them is back in the other room because somebody, not naming names, but Gavin, wanted these cookies this morning, so I let him have some. And then we got 3 of these boxes of chips, and they're different. So these are like the baked variety. And then we got the Sun Chips, and then we got just the regular Lay's box. And then we got 3 big boxes of cereal. So Frosted Flakes, Fruity Pebbles, and not Captain Crunch, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then we did get other stuff that we needed there. It's just with Jessica. So we're going with 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. There will be 11 of us total, 9 adults and our 2 kids. Oh, 12. Miss Jolene. How can I forget Jolene? So Jolene is 7 months old, 8 months old. So anyway, so I'm going to show you kind of what the packing situation looks like. There's my bag. I haven't put stuff in it. There's all that stuff I showed you earlier. My bathing suits, stuff like that. The boys, we are all packed. So for them, they have, Gavin has a little bit more than Easton, only because we have to account for if we have accidents. So I think they both have 4 outfits. Gavin has like 10 pairs of underwear, but underwear, we didn't bring any socks because we'll have sandals and Crocs. 3 pairs of pajamas and an outfit for pictures. Easton's is a little more regular. He's got 4 outfits, 4 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of pajamas, which he's got 1 more that's coming. His outfit for pictures, sandals, and of course bathing suits. These are their clothes they're wearing tomorrow. We have our beach towels and regular towels. And then we have the 1 set of sheets there, and I've got to get the other sets of sheets. And then I'll go show you what else. Let's see here. I showed you this game, but we packed our like board games. And Gavin, say hi. Where are we going tomorrow?
A beach.
A beach. And then I will show y'all out here. Derek got the cooler out, but we have like the big, it's like one of those fold-up blankets. We have a cooler bag. I have my sun hat. That's just a belt. That bag has like beach toys, or not necessarily beach toys, but like pool toys, because there is a pool where we're going. So yeah, so we have pool toys, and then I'll take you outside and I'll show you what we have out there. Okay, so oh my goodness, we have a couple chairs. There's a couple back here. Sand toys, boogie boards. Let's see here, and then I'll show you in the van. So we put these seats right here, the bucket seats, in the ground, and the boys will sit back there. I'll move those jumper cables. The boys will sit back there. So we'll have all of this room for things, and then we have this whole back area to fill with stuff. So we have plenty of room. It's just a matter of getting it all put together and in the car in the morning, because the temperature's hot here, so we can't really put things in the car. Like even right now, it's too hot to put some of this stuff out there. So we'll just put it all in the morning when everything's ready. Then I can pack it all up and we will be good. So other than that, that is our beach packing list. Oh, I know that I will get asked. But yes, we're bringing sunscreen. I didn't really show you guys any of like the bathroom bag stuff, like the boys' toothbrushes and medicine and, you know, stuff like that. So, but yes, we have sunscreen and all sorts of stuff. So don't worry, I'm not forgetting sunscreen. I am very fair skinned, so I can't forget sunscreen. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I wanted it to be a little bit more formal, where I laid things out and showed you guys everything really, but it just didn't happen like that. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to share our beach vacation with you guys. So be on the lookout for some beach videos, because we're gonna have a lot of fun. So Anyway, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Click the like button, and let's see. Tell me your favorite place to vacation in the comments below. Whether it be the beach or the mountains or a specific state or something like that. So let me know in the comments below. But anyway, good night. Hope you guys have a... Don't move.
Comment down below. Bye.
What else did you want to say?
Comment down below.
Give it a big what? Oh, you said comment down below? Give it a big what?
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. And what? Subscribe. Mwah. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Yay! Okay. And the life of a cat.